Burrs can be randomly distributed on the edge of the sample. Sometimes the complete area where burrs occur needs to be documented. For this task, activate the manual stitching module in Enersight and acquire the region of interest that exceeds the field of view of a single image. To stitch an image, move the sample. The images are automatically acquired and stitched together. Press the Merge button to create the stitched image. On the merged image, the burr detection analysis can be immediately carried out by selecting the tool from the measurement options. The algorithm automatically defines the baseline and detects, counts, and measures the burrs on the acquired image. The detected burrs are color-coded. Burrs above the upper threshold are colored in red. Burrs between the lower and upper threshold are colored yellow to orange. Features below the lower threshold are not detected. Lower and upper thresholds can be readjusted according to specific requirements.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us via the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you.